Dictation will start in 5 seconds. Get ready, start. Heard Sri Aditya Singh Parihar, Learned Counsel for the Appellant Insurance Company, Sri S.D. Ojha and Sri Srivastav, Learned Counsel for the Claimant Respondents, and Sri Abhinav Trivedi, as well as Sri Adarsh Kumar, Learned Counsel for Vehicle Owner and Driver in all the connected appeals. Para. All these appeals involve common questions of fact and law and hence are being decided by a common judgment. For the sake of convenience, first appeal from order number 1780 of 2024 shall be treated as leading case. Para. The present appeal at the instance of insurance company challenges the award dated 1/6/2024, whereby the presiding officer, Motor Accident Claims Tribunal, Kanpur Dehat, has allowed MAC number 186 of 2022, Srimati Aarti Devi and others versus Manager ICICI Lombard General Insurance Company Limited and others, in part awarding a sum of rupees 20,11,800 towards compensation against the owner and driver of the offending vehicle, with an observation that vehicle being insured with the appellant company, the appellant shall have right to recover the amount of compensation from the owner and the driver. Initial liability to pay compensation has been fastened upon the appellant insurance company. Para. Brief facts giving rise to the instant appeal are that a road accident took place on 29/5/2022 in which one Pradeep Kumar, who was sitting in Eco car number UP90 U9831, suffered injuries and succumbed to the same on the spot. The accident was caused by bus number UP77T5052, which was insured with the appellant insurance company. A claim petition was filed by the legal representatives of the deceased claiming compensation. The tribunal, after framing issues as regards rash and negligent driving of the bus driver and the car driver, and as to whether the drivers were having valid driving license on the date of accident, factum of insurance and liability to pay compensation by which party and to what extent, decided the claim petition by the impugned judgment and order. Para. When the appeal came up for consideration on the first date, this court, after noting down submissions advanced by the appellant, including a legal plea raised in the light of omission of proviso to subsection 4 of section 149 of the Motor Vehicles Act 1988, herein after referred to as Act 1988 by way of Motor Vehicles Amendment Act 2019, 32 of 2019, admitted the appeal on 27/9/2024 and issued notices to the unrepresented respondents. After the parties were represented, the court, by an order dated 8/11/2024, summoned the record of the tribunal. The appeal was heard at length on 9/1/2025 and judgment was reserved. Para. The decision in these appeals raises a very significant question of law in the light of Motor Vehicles Amendment Act 2019 (32 of 2019) and not yet decided in India, as informed to the court wide notification dated 25/2/2022, issued in exercise of powers under section 1 (2) of the Amending Act 2019. Various sections, including section 51 of the Amending Act, came into force with effect from 1/4/2022. It is section 51 that replaces chapter 11 of the Act of 1988 by a new chapter 11 that is relevant for the instant case. When read with section 166 (3) of the Act, where limitation to present a claim petition within 6 months from the occurrence of accident has been prescribed, It infers that the provisions of newly substituted Chapter 11 would deal with cases arising from accidents taking place after 1/4/2022. The question is as to whether mere omission of proviso attached to subsection 4 of section 149 of Act 1988 after its replacement by section 150 by Amendment Act 2019 would mean that the liability of the insurer to pay and its right to recover the amount from the owner has been taken away and does not survive in relation to accidents occurring after 1/4/2022. Para. Learned counsel for the appellant has vehemently argued that since the accident took place after coming into force of the Amendment Act, the tribunal was not justified in issuing a direction to the appellant to pay compensation to the claimants with a right to recover. Elaborating his submissions, it is urged that insurance company's right to recover compensation from the owner of the offending vehicle flows from the proviso attached to subsection 4 of section 149 of Motor Vehicles Act 1988. However, the said proviso has been omitted by Act of 2019 and therefore in case of a breach of policy it is only the owner against whom award can be directly made and insurer is liable to be relieved from any liability to indemnify the owner. Stop.